ToughBuilt Reload Utility Knife. Unleash the future of utility knives with ToughBuilt Reload. Experience the cutting-edge innovation of the ToughBuilt Reload Utility Knife. This isn't just another blade, it's a complete game changer. With a design inspired by pistol magazines, it effortlessly adapts to any task. For just $25, revolutionize your toolkit with this versatile and easy-to-replace utility knife. Stortz RAU 106. Precision redefined. Meet the Stortz RAU 106 Seam Locker. For specialists who demand perfection, the RAU 106 Seam Locker is a must-have tool. With an 8-inch working width, this lightweight and portable tool ensures neat and speedy work on metal sheets. Made in Germany and priced at $260, it's the epitome of precision. SurPro S1X. Soar to new heights with SurPro S1X Construction Stilts. Leave heavy stilts behind and embrace the SurPro S1X, the epitome of comfort and versatility. Crafted from magnesium alloy, these stilts are 33% lighter, offering a performance boost like no other. Priced at $430 per pair, it's a small investment for a significant upgrade. Rizer Hammer Helper. Upgrade your hammer game with Rizer Hammer Helper. Transform your regular hammer into a powerful multi-tool with the Rizer Hammer Helper. A Pro Tool 2019 Innovation winner, loved by both experts and beginners alike, all for an unbeatable $16. It's not just a pry bar, it's a game changer. Jazon SZU. Simplify curved work with Jazon SZU Universal Slit Form. Save time and materials with the Jazon SZU Universal Slit Form. Whether it's a straight or curved curve, this 29.5-inch formwork is your go-to solution. Priced at $523, it's a polish-made gem praised for quality and neatness. OLFA BTC-1/DX. Discover versatility with OLFA BTC-1/DX Scraper. Designed for both left and right-handed users, the OLFA BTC-1/DX Scraper is your ticket to versatile scraping. Priced at just $20, it's a steal for anyone valuing precision and efficiency in their work. Roughneck Manual Log Splitter. Conquer wood splitting with ease. Introducing Roughneck Manual Log Splitter. In a world of rising wood prices, the Roughneck Manual Log Splitter is your solution. Safer and more convenient than an axe, this $48 tool ensures a hassle-free wood splitting experience. BeadScope 360. Simplify sealant work with BeadScope 360. Make sealant application a breeze with the $27 BeadScope 360 kit. No more struggling with blind spots. Get the job done effortlessly and efficiently. Datamark MP-50. Precision marking with Datamark MP-50. Compact, powerful, and priced around $100, the Datamark MP-50 is a must-have for anyone valuing precision in their work. Easily set up via the mobile app, enjoy 3 hours of continuous marking. Curve Group MERT 4. Elevate your lifting game with Curve Group MERT 4 vacuum lifter. Supporting up to 705 pounds, rotating 360 degrees and tilting 90 degrees, the CGR Group MP-50 4 vacuum lifter is your go-to lifter for $6,500. Elevate your lifting game with this versatile and reliable tool. DELKO MIXM8. Mix construction materials like a pro with DELKO MIXM8. For a neat mix every time, the DELKO MIXM8 is your solution. Compatible with cordless drills and priced at $40, it's a small investment for a significant improvement. Ganwei. Precision in your palm with Ganwei Mini Woodworking Tool. At just $20.50, this compact tool is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts. Trim pieces effortlessly with tungsten carbide blades and enjoy the convenience of this must-have tool.